In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in WordPress. Archiving content in WordPress can be a highly effective way to manage and declutter your site while preserving important information for future reference. Today, we'll walk through a straightforward method to achieve this, using a plugin to enhance WordPress's functionality. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Go ahead and log in to your WordPress admin area. This is the central hub from which you can control all aspects of your site, from theme settings to content management. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you want to navigate over to the Plugins section. Plugins are wonderful tools that allow you to add new features and functions to your WordPress site without any coding knowledge. In the left-hand sidebar, look for Plugins and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage your existing plugins and add new ones. Now, in the Plugins area, locate and click on the Add New button. This takes you to the WordPress plugin directory, which houses thousands of plugins that you can browse and integrate into your site. In the search bar, type in Archived Post Status. This is the plugin we'll be using today to help us archive content efficiently. After typing it in, press Enter, and WordPress will display a list of results for you. Look for the plugin named Archived Post Status. Beside it, you'll find a button labeled Install Now. Click on this to start the installation process. Your WordPress will now take a few moments to download and set up the plugin behind the scenes. Once the installation is complete, the button you clicked to install the plugin will now read Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Activating it allows WordPress to apply the plugin's functionality to your site's operations. With the plugin activated, we can now begin archiving. Head back over to the Pages section in the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard. Find a page that you want to archive from the list of your site's pages. Once you've chosen the page, hover over it, and you'll see a few options appear below the page title. Click on Quick Edit. In the Quick Edit menu, you'll see an option for Status. Here, you can change the publishing status of your page. Use the drop-down menu and select Archived. Once you do this, click Update, and your page will now be archived. That's all it takes to archive content in WordPress using the Archived Post Status plugin. This method gives you a clean and efficient way to store pages that are no longer immediately needed but might be useful down the line. Thanks for watching, and happy archiving!